Hi, today I have such a fast, easy recipe for you. And this is something that the kids can do. There's no baking, there's no cooking, and it's just mixing items together for a great summertime frozen yogurt pie. And what you're gonna need for this recipe is 16 ounces of yogurt, any fruit yogurt that you have. I'm using strawberry. I use 2 of these Greek yogurt Light and Fit Dannon. They were only 5.3 ounces. So I needed to add just a little bit more, and I had this Greek yogurt on hand. So I just added some of that, but a total of 16 ounces of yogurt, and then 8 ounces of whipped topping, any brand, and a pre-made graham cracker crust. And then I'm adding some fresh strawberries. I sliced up about 10 big strawberries, and I'm gonna add that in the pie, but also leave some to garnish the top. So we're just going to combine the yogurt, which I already have in here. Combine the yogurt and the Cool Whip, or whatever whipped topping that you have on hand. I want to get all of that out of there. And again, about 8 ounces of your whipped topping. And I'm just sort of eyeballing it here. This is a 16-ounce container, so I'm going to use half of it. And just mix that up really well, just like that. So easy, and the kids will have a lot of fun making this. You could use any flavor of yogurt that you want and add any kind of fruit. So you could make a different pie every week and just use different flavors. I think a lemon yogurt would be really good. Okay, so I have mixed those two really well in my container here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dump my strawberries in and give those a stir. Ooh, it looks so good already. Okay, I've got those mixed in. That's all there was to it. And now I'm just going to put it in the prepared pie crust. You could, of course, make your own graham cracker crust. You could use a crust made with vanilla wafers. That makes a really, really good crust. Okay, I'm gonna get all that in there. And then I'm gonna put it in the freezer until it's firm, probably about 2 hours, but I will be back when this is frozen and I will show it to you then. Hi, so I took the pie out of the freezer after about 3 hours. Let it set on the counter for 10 to 15 minutes, and I've already cut a slice. And let's taste it. Delicious. Have fun with this recipe this summer, and I'll see you next time.